Hello guys, this is AUDCAD. Last time we analyzed the AUDCAD, we came up with something that looks like this. Okay, so we have this trend that is going towards the downside. As you can see, we've got these pushes towards the downside. So the market was currently still in a downtrend. So we're expecting the market to at least break this zone towards the downside so that we can see that the market is still in a downtrend. But what caught my attention was after the market has made something like a double bottom right here. After the market made something like a double bottom right here, as you can see, what we had these two strong pushes towards the upside. So the market, after touching it came to this point. So there's a possibility that after rejecting this point as well, it might come to this point as well. So what happens is that on a weekly time frame, I tend to notice this, and then I also tend to notice this strong push towards the downside. I mean, this impulsive move, this move right here, it gave me some sort of something like an impulsive phase. So on a weekly time frame, I will stick to this impulsive correction, impulsive, and the market is currently kind of in an impulsive form after rejecting this double bottom thing. So it's kind of in an impulsive form, and this will more like a correction phase. So the market has a chances of shooting towards the upside. So let's see what happened on a daily time frame. So when we came to the daily time frame, so we're not gonna stick to the whole chart again because you already know that here we were in a double bottom kind of thing. So we're gonna stick to this impulsive phase. So this was our impulsive phase. This was our impulsive phase until to this point, and then from here all the way from here to here, it's a correction phase. So from here, it was a correction phase, impulsive correction. So the market, after giving us this correction, what do we expect? We're expecting to see that when the market breaks above this correction channel, we take a buy. So if I did notice this chart like earlier on, I would have I would have taken a buy from this point right here when a breakout of this trend line of a what of a correction. I would have taken a buy with my stop loss maybe somewhere there, and to say the market is gonna shoot all the way up. Okay, but now I didn't see that. So the more we look into the structure, okay, let's eliminate this so we can even clone this and make it look like this. That okay, this was our correction channel. But if you have a very good eye of checking things, you would see the market, the more it was going down right here, impulsive or lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then you created something like the, remember it already broke above the trend line, I mean the channel of the correction phase. So it came down to this point right here, and then we're expecting the market to shoot up. If you can have a look at this, you will see the market has formed the head and shoulder. As you can see here, as you can see, the market formed the head and shoulder. So this was gonna be a shoulder, and then it's gonna be a head, then it's gonna be a shoulder, and then it's gonna go up. So if you can take even this and paste it here, you will see the market was forming a beautiful head and shoulders. So which means that's another confluence to confirm to say, you know what, our market is gonna go towards the upside. We can even draw maybe this line right here. We can even draw this zone from here to there to say that the market is really rejecting this shoulder, this side left hand shoulder, because it has been here for 1, 2, 3 days rejecting or failing to break below that point. So it's something that we can really rely on. So when you go to 4 hour time frame, you will see OT the market did what the market gave us something like a correction phase. So after giving us this impulsive, you see, after giving us this push to the upside, that was an impulsive phase. Okay, so after the market gives you an impulsive phase, you wait for the market to give you what, another correction. So at the moment, as we can see, the market gave us this correction, and then we were able to see it very early that the market has just broke above the correction phase. So now this is our entry point. So we're entering here. This is where we enter, and then we can put our stop loss just below these two low candles, and then we can aim 1:2, 1:3. It's up to you, but usually what I do this, I clone this last impulsive move, and then I take it, I paste it there, and then that becomes like my estimation that the impulsive move can be off, slightly off those size, of that size. So yes, to your take first your profit, it can be there, but I still believe that it can get to this point right here. So yes, AUDCAD, that was Alus FX, guys. If you want to know how I trade, you can just inbox me, because most of the time these kind of trades, they do play out. I'm out. Thank you, guys.